Good morning, family. This is Linda. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is a rainy Monday morning. I hope you're doing well. But listen, guys, I stopped in today because I wanted to give you a little message. Just something, I just want to put something on your mind this morning, okay? So, this doesn't have anything to do against anyone, right? But what I want to talk to you about is truth. Just what is the truth? Now, there's a lot of things you can do with the truth, right? You can tell the truth or you can lie about it. But history don't change, right? So history is history. You cannot change it. It's done. It's there. So with that, there was a time that a black woman like me who had natural hair said it was told to me that I need a perm. My hair is too nappy. Even though this is the way my hair grew from my head. This is how God did that. That's how He made me, right? This is the way it grew from my head. Also, it was said to me that because I am a black woman in America, that I was not beautiful. Oh, yeah, it was said that I'm not beautiful. So these are things that society and this world will condition us to believe, right? But another thing they have conditioned us to believe, and we still believe it today, family. We believe it today, that if we go to the grocery store and we see these beautiful vegetables, the perfect tomato, she's round, she has no blemishes, she's gorgeous. And when you eat it, she is flavor free. There is no flavor in this tomato. Matter of fact, she tastes like water. But if you drop a seed in your garden and you harvest a tomato, it's something different about this tomato. It's something special about this tomato. Yeah, she don't look like the store vegetables. She don't. She got blemishes or she got dimples and stuff all over her. But gosh, she tastes so good. And that is because we have been conditioned to believe another lie. The foods that we grow in our garden, organically, naturally, the foods that we grow that has been kissed by Mother Nature, those vegetables are the real perfect vegetables. We have been conditioned to believe another lie. So family, I'm here to say to you, do not compare your vegetables to any other vegetable in the store. We grow the perfect vegetable. Peace.